These body combos will make you to be brighter and you are going to be achieving that glowy skin if you watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you will get the tips that would make them to work and work effectively for you. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi Favy, and in today's video we're going to be talking about brightening body combo that will make your skin to pop in no due time. This particular body combo would give you a brighter skin just in 2 weeks, and the amazing thing about this body combo is that they are affordable, and even if some are not affordable, I have the affordable ones that you can use and they will still give you that effective results that we all are looking for. In this episode 2025, we're not going to be breaking the bank to look good, and that is on period. So the very first thing we're going to be talking about in our brightening body combo would have to be something that you can use to wash your body, which is a bar soap. For bar soaps, I'll be recommending this particular bar soap from Ashanti. Yeah, Ashanti papaya and honey bar soap. It contains Q10, AHA and BHA. This particular bar soap contains AHA. It also contains coconut oil. It also contains papaya extract, Q10, vitamin C, and also vitamin E. This particular bar soap, I have used this for months, in fact for years, and if there is something that I know that I can use over and over again because it is so affordable. So because I'm on a tight budget, I will keep purchasing this particular product because it is so good on my skin. It would help to gently exfoliate your skin because it contains AHA, in quotes, gently, okay? It will not do all the exfoliation that you need, meaning that you're going to actually be getting a body scrub, okay? And also it contains vitamin C and also vitamin E, which would help to nourish your skin and give you that brighter skin tone that you are looking for this year, 2025. This particular bar soap is sold for 1,700 naira. That is the amount I purchased it for. I know that it will not be more than 2,000 naira depending your location, okay? So if you're on the affordable team, I would say that you should get this particular bar soap and you will thank me later. Like, your skin will glow on a budget. And if you have money and you are looking forward to still glow, I would say you should lay your hands on this particular body wash. This is Olay Vitamin C body wash, and this body wash promises to give you a visibly better skin in 14 days meaning 2 weeks. So in 2 weeks they're going to be using this particular body wash. You're going to see that your skin will be better. It will be more radiant, it will be brighter, it will be visibly brighter, like visibly better. So people are going to be noticing the glow coming from your skin. It contains vitamin C, of course. It helps to hydrate your skin. The particular body wash helps to hydrate your skin. So if you have a dry skin, like extremely dry skin, and you'll be like, vitamin C products do not really work for me, I would say that you should purchase this particular product because it will help to moisturize your skin and also give you a brighter skin. Okay, yes. So this particular body wash penetrates your skin and moisturize it, and then leave you with a glowy and radiant skin from the first wash. This is what is written on the body. So from the first wash you're going to have with this particular body wash, you are going to be seeing that your skin will be glowy, okay? So it replenishes your skin moisture barrier, supports your skin natural pH, and it is formulated by Olay Skin Experts, meaning that this particular product is original, not counterfeit. It is not fake. So if you are purchasing, I would say, if you have more money to spare, I would say please lay your hands on this body wash and thank me later. For the price, I bought it for 24,000 naira because I bought it in a shopping mall, but I know that it is sold for 18,000 naira in the market, okay? So that is what I'm saying. If you're on the Odogu team and you know you have the money to look good this year, I would say lay your hand on this Olay Vitamin C body wash. But if you're on a budget, please get yourself Ashanti papaya, and these two products should be used at night. Do not use it during the day because they contain vitamin C, and vitamin C reacts with the sun, okay? That way you are going to be getting darker instead of getting brighter. So please, if you want to get brighter this year, I would say please use them only at night. use them only at night, and you're going to be seeing visible results on your skin. Okay, if you're done with the body wash and the bar soap, you know that the next thing we're going to be needing would have to be a body lotion. And for body lotion, I will say lay your hand on this Face Fact. This is Face Fact Vitamin C body lotion. This particular body lotion contains vitamin C, of course. This particular body lotion is not light. It does not have a light consistency. It is thick. Let me demonstrate. It's actually thick, as you can see. But when it comes to the blending, it blends in so well. Like, it blends in so well to your skin, okay? It contains amazing ingredients, and they said it helps to brighten your tired-looking skin with our vitamin C body lotion, packed with antioxidants, which comes from the vitamin C, of course. It helps to moisturize and also helps your skin to be hydrated, boost your natural complexion with a healthy glow. So it is time to give your skin all the tender loving care that it deserves. Also vegan free, okay? So if you are looking forward to give your skin the tender loving care that it deserves, purchase this body lotion. I think this should be my third bottle. If it is not good, I will not keep repurchasing. It is so good. And the way I see better results from this particular product is by using it only at night, because I know that it contains vitamin C, okay? It contains vitamin C, so I should not use it during the day and then walk under the sun, and then I'll not be like complaining, my skin is not brighter, my skin is not glowy, and he said if I purchase this product, it will give me a glowy skin. Please use it only at night, and you're going to be seeing a visible change on your skin. So when you are done with your body lotion, we already know that for you to get that brighter skin in no due time, like in 14 days, I would say that you should lay your hand on a brightening body oil, because a brightening body oil would help to lock in the moisture, help to lock in the properties, help to lock in the ingredients that will come from this body lotion onto your skin, so that you will be glowy and radiant. And for body oil, I would recommend this particular body oil from Desire. This is called Desire Vitamin C body oil. This particular body oil may be looking small and might be too affordable. You will not be like, I cannot buy it because it is so cheap. That was the first thing I thought. But when I bought it, I realized that this particular body oil is not even like hyped the way it should be hyped, because it does a lot. Like, when I mean it does a lot, it does a lot. And I will always say use it at night. I'm trying to open the inner cap, because it comes with this inner cap that helps to keep it intact, that whenever you are traveling, it will not spill, or even if it's at home, it will not spill. Okay, so this particular body oil is so good. I'm going to just be dropping just one drop, so that you will see the magic that will come from just this single drop from this body oil. So we're going to be blending it in on that same palm that we applied our body lotion, and you're going to be seeing how glowy and radiant that my skin will be. I see the glow now. Like, see how my skin is glowy already. Just body lotion and body oil, and my skin is already thanking me. My skin is already giving. Okay, so this body oil contains vitamin C, of course, meaning that you would only use it at night. Remember that I said that products that contain vitamin C react with the sun. That is the reason why you're going to be using them only at night. Please use your vitamin C infused products only at night. This product is enriched with natural extract that rapidly infiltrates into the skin, moisturize, whiten, replenish nutrients, relieve dry skin. So if you have a dry skin, this particular body oil is for you. Lighten fine lines, spots, easily get absorbed without oiliness, and can effectively fix multiple skin problems. This body oil is sold for 2,000 naira. Very affordable, Abby. This year, like I said, we're going to be glowing on a budget, okay? This year, we must glow like on a very tight budget. If someone should see us, they will not believe that this particular 2,000 naira body oil is what is helping our skin to glow. So if you're looking forward to glow, to be radiant, I would say lay your hand on this body oil and thank me later in the comment section. People who have used this body oil know what I'm talking about. So if you have used the body oil, let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, so if you want to glow this year, you want to be brighter, you want to be glowy, you want to be radiant, these are the body combo that you can purchase now. Purchase it now that we're still in January, so that before December before December, people will just know you as glow queen. Okay, when you pass, it will be like, since January, this girl have been glowing. Like, what is happening? So if you have watched this particular point of the video and you are yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It helps me to grow. It helps me to know that you are loving the contents I'm putting up here. And also drop a comment in the comment section in case you are confused on whatever I've said in this video. I will gladly reply to your comments, okay? And also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy the content that you just watched. And also turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the very first person to get notified once I upload a new video. Here we do all things related to skincare, feminine hygiene, girls tips. I give you tips and I also recommend affordable products that you can buy that would help you to glow on a budget, okay? And until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye.